Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir from Green Valley English School. In this video, I am going to start your new chapter editing a worksheet. So, student, in this video, we shall try to understand what the editing is and how to copy and move the data in Microsoft Excel, student. So, let us start our first topic, editing. So student, in the previous chapter we have studied much about the Microsoft Excel and the basic elements of the Microsoft Excel. In this chapter we shall go further and we shall try to learn more about the Microsoft Excel, student. As we all know that Microsoft Excel is an application software used to perform mathematical calculation. After entering data in a worksheet, we may need to make some changes in it, student. So we can add more data and edit its content. Editing a worksheet involves changing the cell content, copying and moving the data, and inserting or deleting rows and columns, student. So student, next heading is using undo and redo features. So student, both commands are very useful in Microsoft Excel. Undo command is used to cancel the last action which you have performed. Students, after making any type of the modification in the cell, you may wish to cancel the change and retrieve the previous data. So you can use the undo command, students. Undo button is present in the quick access toolbar. Students, the shortcut key for undo command is Ctrl and Z key. So by pressing the Ctrl and Z key together, you can cancel the last action which you have performed. Next is redo command, students. So redo command is the command which is used to cancel the effect of the undo command, and this command reverse the last action that you have done using the undo command. So students, to use the redo command, we have to click on the redo button which is present in quick access toolbar. The shortcut key for redo button is Ctrl and Y key, students. So student, next heading is copying and moving data. Copying means creating the duplicate data in the new location, students. This data may be in the form of text, number, formula, and data can be copied either in same worksheet or in different worksheet, student. So for copying the data, we use the two command. Always remember this, student: copy and paste command. These commands are present in clipboard on the home tab, student. So let us see how to copy the data. What are the procedure? So to copy the data, the following steps are taken, student. First step is that we have to select the cell or range of the cell which we want to copy. So by using the mouse, you can select it as it is shown in figure 8.7, student. Second step is that we have to click on copy button in the clipboard group as it is shown, students. After that, clicking on the copy button, the moving dash line will appear around the selected cell. Third step is, student, now we select the new location where we want to paste it, and then we click on paste button in the clipboard group. So student, next heading is moving the data around. So moving means shifting the data from one location to another student. So following steps are taken to move the text in the same worksheet student. First method is given here using the drag and drop method. So to use this method student, do this. First step is select the cell or range of the cell which you want to be moved. Second step is the student, now position the mouse pointer at the edge of the selected cell, and now the mouse pointer will be changed into the black four-headed cross symbol students. And now we drag the selected cell or range of the cell to the new destination and release the mouse button. Whenever you release the mouse button student, the data will be moved to the new location. Same things can be done by using the cut and paste command also students. So in this manner we can move the data from one location to another.